So today is the second class. First class we discussed about area. This is ICSC school's 7th standard book, physics book. So let's check the answers. My daughter is my student here. Okay, so please show me the answers. Okay, this objective type question. Fill in the blank spaces by choosing the correct words from the list given below. Amount of surface occupied by an object or a place is called area. Okay. The SI unit of area is meter square. Okay. The appropriate unit to express the area of a 2 rupees coin is millimeter square. Yes. Why it is millimeter square? Do you have any idea? How do you guess it that it should be in millimeter square?
Hints.
Hints? Here. Just there are 5 questions and 5 answers, so you have just relate one to each other. But if I say more precisely, then you may get this answer. Get this answer from here. This is more appropriate. Why? It is clearly given that also express the above areas in centimeter square by dividing the area by millimeter square. So 2 rupees coin on a millimeter graph, 5 rupees coin in a millimeter graph. Understand? So investigation 1.3, the hints is given here. So the area of a banana leaf can be found by using dash graph paper. Centimeter graph paper. Okay, banana leaf is a little bit larger than 5 meter, 5 rupees coin. The area of a state is best expressed in kilometer square. Okay, everything is correct. Now, write true or false for the following statements. Okay. The area of a flat triangular cardboard is given by the formula base into height. False. What it should be?
Base. Altitude also.
Yes. Rectangular area. In the last class I told you that these are here, so question will be asked from these formulas. Base and altitude is given, but half is not. Half is not given here. Base and height is there, but half is not there, so it's false. True. Second question is, the area of a state is best expressed in hectares. State, what it should be? You write in false, then what
Kilometers.
it kilometer square. So okay, it's false because we need a larger unit to express the area of state, as state is a very large area, so use large quantity. To remember, 10,000 centimeter square is equal to 1 meter square. Have you worked out it somewhere? How can you find out this 1 meter square, whether it is equal or not? 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Okay, right. True. 1000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10 to the power 4. So here it is 10 cube, so it is false. The area of rose leaf can be found by using millimeter graph paper. Yes, true. Statement given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. The amount of space occupied by an object is called its area. Number. The amount of space occupied by an object, the amount of surface. amount of surface. Okay. Second is SI unit of area is meter square. The area of a 5 rupees coin is best expressed in millimeter square, centimeter square or millimeter square. Okay, centimeter square can be expressed. 1 hectare is equal to the size of a square having side
10 meter.
1 r. Okay, 1 r. It's okay. 1 r is equal to inside 10 meter. 1 kilometer square is equal to 1000 hectare. 100 hectare. Okay. Now, tick the most appropriate answer. A square board of side 5 centimeter has an area of 25 centimeters square. The area of circle is given by pi r square when pi stands for yes one a. Okay. A plot measuring 2 kilometer in length and half kilometer in breadth has the area of 2 kilometer length. It is equal to 1 kilometer square. If it is 1 kilometer square, then 1 kilometer square is equal to how much? It is in hectares. 1 kilometer square is equal to 100 hectares. It is 100 hectares there. Okay. Have you understood this? Actually, this type of in next time when you solve these questions, you worked out some mathematical calculation, is not it? How did you find this?
I cut the denominator 2 and the 2.
You just in your mind you calculate everything. Okay, it's okay if you can do it in your mind then it's okay. But if you have to do some mathematical calculation, please do it here. Okay, clearly. Don't need to do somewhere else or in extra copy. Okay, just do it here. It will be more clear. The area of an irregular piece of cardboard is about 25 centimeters square. Is best found by using irregular piece of cardboard about 25 centimeter. 25 centimeters square means 1 into 25 square. Okay, millimeter or centimeter graph paper for a using mathematical formula. None of these. Is best. Okay, millimeter square. The accurate measurement of area is required in the job of a mason, goldsmith, blacksmith. None of this. The accurate measurement of area is required in the job of a mason. Yes. Masonry work like tiles. If you install tiles in your floor, in your wall, they charge in square foot. If in 1 square foot, they charge 10 rupees, 20 rupees, like that. In that case, you must know the area exactly. Otherwise, they will deceive you. Okay. Match the statement in column A with those in column B. The amount of surface occupied by an object or place is area. SI unit of area is SI unit of area is d meter square, 2 number meter square. A multiple of SI unit of area used for measuring the area of state, d kilometer square. A submultiple unit of area used for measuring the area of a postal stamp, millimeter square, 4 number E, 5 number. A graph used for measuring the area of banyan leaf, centimeter square. Okay. Study questions. Question number 1. State What do you understand by the area of an object? The amount of surface occupied by an object or a place is called this area. Okay. State the standard unit of area. Okay. This is third time the same question is asked. State two multiples and two submultiples of SI unit of area and express their numerical values in SI unit. Multiples are 10 meter into 10 meter. Okay. Hectare 100 meter into 100. What is this?
Meters.
N. Why N? Wrong. 10 to the power 4 meter square. 10 into 10. Okay. Submultiples. Centimeter square equal to. It is minus and equal to different operator. Centimeter square.
Hyphen.
Why did you not show the calculation here? Centimeter square.
Express the numerical values in SI units.
SI unit. Centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter means 10 to the power minus 2 meter into 10 to the power minus 2 meter is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. In this fashion, like this, you have to calculate this. Okay. Next time you calculate this. Okay. If you can remember, it's okay, but for this particular chapter, you have to calculate this. In future, you have to use this unit directly. You can write. Now you have to show the calculations. dm 10 to the power minus decameter means what? Decimeter, sorry. dm means decimeter. 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Another, this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Can you find out why I have cancelled it? Why? Where is the square? Where is the square? If you don't write this, dm and dm square is completely different. So mind it for next time. Okay. What do you mean by deci? Deci and deca. There are two units. Deci means centi, deci. Can you remember the units? Centi, deci. Centi means 1 by 100. Deci means 1 by 10. That's why dm square means 10 to the power minus 2. Decimeter. Deci means what? Can you remember this? Deci. Okay. Deci means deci means 1 by 10. So dm square means 1 dm into 1 dm. 1 dm means 1 by 10 meter into 1 by 10 meter. So 1 by 100 meter square. So 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. Show the calculation for next time. Okay. Whenever it is asked in your exam, then show it. Second question. So you have made some mistake here. Okay. Next time, mind it in units. How can you find the length of a rectangular body if you know its area and breadth without using a measuring scale? By using the formula to fix the area, to find the area of the rectangle, L into B length into breadth. So this is okay, but you have to elaborate it. You have to elaborate it like this. Question number 2. Suppose, you have to write it. Suppose the area is A, length L, bread. Bread B. We know that A is equal to L into B. Therefore, the B is equal to A by L. Okay. You just write the formula here. It's okay. But it is more precise. More understandable, isn't it? The length L is equal to A by B. Question number 3. Okay, next time just elaborate it. Without using a measuring scale, how can you find the area of the following correctly? 5 rupees coin by using millimeter, B a playing card centimeter, and a banyan leaf centimeter graph paper respectively. Okay, but you should write this by using A millimeter, B just put this because there are 3 different questions. Question number 4. You have not write it. Okay, we'll discuss it. There is a circular field of area of approximately 500 meters square. Okay, how can you find its area accurately by using a measuring tape? Circular field of area by adding the formula pi into radius square. Okay. Now question number 4 we'll discuss. What is question number 4? Using an appropriate measuring instrument, name the instrument. How can you find the area of a postal stamp? Postal stamp?
Centimeter graph paper.
Measuring instrument. It is not asking any graph paper.
Graph paper isn't an instrument.
It's not an instrument. Postal stamp. Have you seen postal stamp? It is of size like this.
That we put on letters.
To post letter, we paste the postal stamp. Right. Okay. So postal stamp can be measured by your scale. The scale in your geometry box is sufficient. So A. Okay. Your ruler is applicable for here. Secondly, greeting cards. Again the ruler. Okay, ruler in your geometry box. Here centimeter scale. Okay, C. School hall measuring tape. That will be perfect for measuring school hall. And D. Football ground. How will you measure D? Football ground. Again measuring tape. So simple. Okay. So almost we have discussed the questions of exercise 1.1. Next time we will discuss volume and its measurement. Okay. Thank you.